Right then, let's get started. So what I'm going to share with you today is absolute golden nuggets, okay? These are golden nuggets. If you've not been successful online, or you're just starting out, or you want to improve your skills, this offer is for you. All right, so what is it, Dave, and what's it all about? So I'm going to head off, share my screen, and I can tell you what it's all about and tell you all about the bonuses that I'm going to offer with this. Okay, well, I'll see you in a minute. Right. Okay, so this is my OLSP Academy dashboard. So a quick overview. These are my commissions over the last month, and these are my total commissions with OLSP alone. Okay, and as you can see, the commissions are coming in every day. Okay, right, so what you get is a special link that will open multiple income streams. All right, now I'm going to share with you quite a few bonuses with this as well, but the actual OLSP Academy give you some bonuses, and the main one I want to share with you is this one here, which is the Comment Dominator Pro. We can guarantee you will make commissions with that within 24-48 hours. Okay, you will get that free with the mega link, our special link what we use. You will also get the traffic challenge fast start, and you will get the user guide, and sorry, I forgot about these down here. You'll get 500 reels, 2,000 Facebook posts, free list building training, and you will get your mega link training also, which is here. And you will also get the Facebook 101 training just here. Okay, so those are the OLSP Academy bonuses. And you get all that just for $7, a one-time payment of $7. No contract, no recurring, anything like that. One-time payment, okay? And we'll teach you how to make the commissions with that, like I'm doing, and what to do. Everything's step by step. I will personally guide you through this step by step. I will invite you to my personal Facebook group where I'll go live, share my screen for all my downline members, share my tips, tricks, traffic methods and things like that. So you're not going to be on your own. The system works as I've proven with my commissions. Check out my personal bonuses below as well. And when the timer runs out, unfortunately, those bonuses will not be available. So don't miss out on everything I've just spoke about. Don't let that timer run out. Pick up this mega link, $7, one-time payment, and I'll guide you through it from there. Okay? Check your emails and make sure you log in correctly.